In this video, we'll show you how to remove accounts from the Microsoft Authenticator app on your Android. So to do this, first select the account that you want to remove. Now here you should see this gear icon at the top right corner. Simply tap on it. Now here you should see this remove account option. Simply tap on it to remove the account. Keep in mind that this is a permanent action. Once you remove the account, you can't recover it unless you add it back manually. So make sure you are absolutely certain about doing this. Similarly, you can repeat the same steps to remove more accounts if you want. However, if there are a bunch of accounts and you want to remove all of them at once, long press on the Authenticator app and then tap this info icon. Now here scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear data option and then hit delete. So this will remove all the accounts and reset the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.